Okay, then I think we should try to cut off this wind waterboard. So I put on that layer. This one. And I see it from left. An example. What we have here. I have this there on the ceiling. I don't need the walls. No. So I can take away external walls. And then I wanted to go and coming down and cover this one. Go 90 degrees down there. So we can set the work plane by face it. That's not important, we can just set it on the side here. Work plane by entity, no, by active view. I want to have a box that go from, I can go from V up there, and I want to have it, where am I? Oh, very far away. Okay, there. Take this one, move it in here. Let's see it from left again. Also take and drag it down, I think. And I can say I want something that go from edge to edge. So I want the line that go from nearest. I cannot use J. But it was 270 and 40 is 310. Seems to be correct. 310 degrees and up there. And I want that distance. Can move this up here. About. And I want it like 2 centimeters outside that one again. So then I use offset. 20 millimeters it is on. Enter. And down there. Delete. Then I want to slice this box. And I want to set the reference point here. I can cut it there also. Then I use the slice tool. I want to slice by 2 points. That should be this one from V to V. And I should delete that part. Then I want one more time this box from V, pressing out here and press the shift over there and delete. Then I know that is the difference for the reference point can be down in this corner someplace. I can take this and say D is V. And then it's time to slice. I set it by work plane. I face it on this edge. And then we find the slice again. Now we want to delete and by work plane. Crazy how she. And this is done. We need to make a box up here as well. This one will be different then. Let's see from the left again. And I'll make a new box. I think I have same view. Or from V. No, I'm not a different view. Active view. And I want to have a box. From V. From up there someplace. And I can have a height of 500. Draw a line again from here someplace nearest, and then it should be 290. Can I move this up about here? I could pushing this also, but that's much quicker to slice it. So like this, and offset again 20 millimeter. Enter and select and down. Escape and out and delete. Then I want to slice by 2 point. I want to slice this one from V to V. I will delete that. I don't need that one anymore. Then I say work plane by face it. There. On this. And I want to slice. By work plane. This one and this one. That was the profile also. Delete. That box I never need again. Delete. I have this. Then I can go and see from the top. Take this, plane by word, and a mirror copy. There someplace. From nearest, pressing shift and over there. Then I can take this one. Yeah, only that one. Yeah, think too much. I see it from left again. And I set the work plane by face it. And I use the slice. It should be on by work plane now, so this one. Finish. And I take that box. And I move it over to what's that then? Should be on the V here. V. And I set new work plane. Didn't we have something coming out there? I forget it. Okay, let me copy the other one in case. Wind waterboard, and the other one is called something with gutter. Wind waterboard is on. I think maybe you forget to put it on here. Yeah, it seems like that. Anyway, we can copy when we still have it. I take this one. I take away the gutter layer. This one. Why? Didn't we cut that? No, it seems like I forget it. I give that a name. This box, I'm pretty sure I deleted that one. Okay, delete. I close this waterboard, I close the roof. This one should also be inside this wind gutter thing. Wind waterboard, I mean. Yeah. Now we have the part. This one I can put into baseline. Oh, is that stupid? No, just leave it as here. Just a little bit for selecting this one. Pressing shift all the time now. There is something missing on that one. Here we have both. Dang, I forget to press the shift. I think we have them all. Gonna make a layer. Just call it gutter. Let me see, gutter is on, and I put them in there. I can now close them all. Yes. Then I put on the waterboard again. And this one I want to cut here. Slice, workbench by face it, and I want to slice this one. And I can take this, I can make a copy, pressing Control. And I take this one and place. Where will that be? Must be on this point there, B. And then I can cut this one. Workbench by face it. And there, and I take this one. This, and I rotate over here, I assume. Then it should be set 90. I face it, and I can slice the other one there. I face it there, and take this one. Then I cut this. This one's done, this one missing one board. Need to copy that over. This is cut to roof. I did have one here. Didn't I copy it? Maybe. Anyway, I want it up there now. Take this. Now let's try to slice this one. Want this up to the V, yeah. And then I want to rotate it. No, I don't. I want to have it like this. So I can slice this one down. by face it on this one, and I take away that. And I need CF on top. And I need to have plane by world. Select that one. Need to turn off one roof, on a roof. And I want to mirror copy this one from nearest and pressing Y. This from nearest and up, and I take this one also, by the way. Mirror copy from nearest and pressing Shift Y. Nearest on this one and up. Okay. No, I did make it. Only I didn't see it. I go from the side again, and I see it from here. Slice. Right plane by face it on this one, and cut this one. Then I want to have take this one off, and we're putting on this too. I take the gutter away, and there. I want to set the reference point on this one. Should have a reference point on the roof here. I think it'll be most easy. D in V. Move that, press Control, and then I move it up here to V. I wonder if I can mirror copy that also. There. Like this. No, I only want this one. And I mirror copy it as a plane by world, and then I mirror copy from nearest and up. I hope it goes. And then I need to, this one is gone. I take this one and I rotate it, not like this. See it from the side. I come there to be on the X. Pressing Shift. Then I move this one down to here, to V, but we have the original point. Now we have the original point on the gutter board, so I need to put that on again. There. I take the box and put it down on the V here. V. I have it, and I then say slice again. If I do it on the correct place, it helps. Take this one up here and say on the V here. V. And then slice. I work pen still, set by face it, and I slice this one and that one. And then we can go a gutter and then waterboard, and we go to hidden line. Then we should continue. I got a phone call. What's left now is here. I think we did cut this, but it seems like it don't remember. Didn't take everything when I save or something. I don't take this part going down there. It's inside. I think it's inside. So I set workplane by face it and on this, and then I go and slice this part. Yeah, that was this one I delete, and then there is after start. On this one. What is it that we see there? This is that you want to cut. This is the board I want. I take off the roof. This one. Then this should be okay. This should be okay. We have this one left now. Then I can take that box and go to wireframe. I'm going to place it on this one. V. But this go a different way. No, that would be wrong. So I rotate it, set 180. Then I have this correct. But then I also need to go back again. So that will then be 150. There. I think that would be correct for this one. Will this stand in 30-degree angle? I will check it. That was of course wrong. Control set. I take this, I rotate 30, that would be correct. It's very far outside, I think, maybe. I have to see it from the side. Something like this. If I put in the wall in first floor, I want to have workplane by face it. On that wall, X-plan. 1, 2. That is not correct. Yeah. As I say, I face it on here, and then the X-plan. This look more correct. 2, 3, 4. Zoom in here. It will barely touch. I think I will take this 2 centimeters more out in X. It must be X. Or is it Y? Y. Now it is in X direction. So I move it in X 20. Okay, then there is a distance from where we cut into the gutter here. Maybe not 100%, but hey, close enough. It's not a rocket thing. Drawing. Let me see. Slice, and I need workplane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, slice by face. Need to set by face it on this. I want to cut that. Then I go up and we say world plan, and I take this one and a mirror copy on a plane by world, and I mirror copy should be from, set the point here, from B straight upward, and then we say I can see it from this view, plane by face it and slice again. And hidden line. Didn't like that. Yeah, this can be a little bit more up. Okay. Anyway, we don't need all these boxes anymore. So select this one, delete, and that one, delete, delete, delete. There's no more now. Don't think so. I see it from the front. I don't like this. This very much up. The hell. I take measurement by active view from here nearest to V. 43. Wow. Alright, see how it goes. I take this and that is the same here. Pressing shift, taking that surface, and I should also have this. Of course, I take the wall when I say no. Only want the cutter. This one, and I lift it up 43. And come way up here. Not good, not good. And I see it from the front again. So I'm happy about it. I cannot see it from here. Yeah. But I don't like that I can see it here. And slice along this also, but that looks good. Okay, I don't care about it. Have to live. In real life we would have cutting off this piece of wood a little bit over here, so we don't get this one. Not wasting time on that. It's not a construction drawing, it's an architectural drawing. This one, here something is wrong. Yeah, I wonder if this one is not cut on the correct place. Else is this need to be moved out. And we also need to cut it here on the roof. If we put on roof tiles, and I take away wind water board. Now this is cut correct. Then it is the wind water board that's not stand correct. See it from the top. And I see it from in wireframe. Yeah. This one should go not together. Only this should go minus 19. Minus 19. And this is correct. And then this one done, I will assume. If I take this, take roof also. That's the same thing. That will be plus 19. Okay, let's see from the back side. Hidden line. I think it's a hidden line, not random. I didn't. Then I say work plane by face it on the roof, and I slice. There is an object here, this one, and I want to delete that one. This one, and delete that one. Then we have everything on. Now we need to make a decision about the color. If I'm putting on the wall, all the roof, and the window, and the door, and the basement external wall 0, internal wall, don't need the stair, floor, and I go to this view, and I can go to draft. Oh, I think this was quick, but now I see I'm in visualize. So it is then, what color should we use on this thing? Should we use the same green like we have here? Or will it be too much? If I take this select by, and I go to material, we have this external molding. Assume I need to re-render. It didn't take it. I shouldn't be grouped there now. Win waterboard. Select by. Everything now is aces because everything is sliced and diced. Then I go here and have the color from external molding. And external molding is dark green. Yep. OK. And OK. And there. Take a quality render now. And now it's green. I want to have this a little bit more dark green. I go to, what is it, this one. And I always forget. It's a good idea to go to wireframe and rotate or hidden line. What happened over there? That material look funny. Need to wait. That is a good thing also to remember. Always wait. Except from the material look very funny. It was okay. I go to wireframe. And I go back here. Yeehaw! What the? What happened? Okay. It's okay. But because we... Oh, I click zoom, touching the scroll wheel. I think I want to save and close the drawing. There must be an error there. This material, it looks really fun. You will behave on the other rules, laugh, only not on this one. Then again, I should also get a new build of this V2021. So, what color should we put on the pipe? That is the question. The new build of ESD. To get the same thing that they're giving out here the other day. But I want to have a darker green. I don't like this too sharp. I go to color and I go to external molding, edit, I make it more black, and I apply and go, and I go to draft, then it looks nearly black, and that's okay. This one is now okay, but I have rotated. Dirt is okay, but not on that side. I don't touch anything before I have closed and reopened the door again. Can happen. Something like this. Then it is what we should take the gutter. We can take that white. Yeah, I do that. Oh Jesus! Oh, shaking Stevens in. I go and select the gutters. That. Select by. And I go and say they should be this interior molding, wall texture, one-time molding. Then we have external frame color, same like the window. Yeah, we can use that one. I can go double check that it has it, yes. And I go back again to draft. So, a little bit up here. I think that would be maybe okay. We see. I go to quality. Yeah, I like better this little bit darker green. The corner board or boxes, I want to have similar color like the cladding. And I say I make this house before and then I have everything in white and it looked like a cream pie. So try to avoid that. I think maybe it's time to stop the video also. Oh, thank heaven. I start to believe it didn't take up. That I forgot to take the resume after I was in this telephone call. And also earlier I always use one metal on this on the gutter itself, but I stopped using that because sometimes it takes very long time to render if I use it. So I use white. It looked nearly the same anyway, except if you're going in and should have really good render, and I never do that. It's out of my interest. So I stop it here.